Okay, solve for x, or x is a real number, and you're given an equation. It looks simple to look at. I'll be honest with you, if you try to solve it without simplifying first, you're going to have troubles. At least I believe you will. So what I did was paper and pencil work. We went through that. I got a simpler equation to solve, and I got an answer of 2 plus or minus root 3. And certainly just checking those, which not easy, but you can check them. Only one answer is correct, and that certainly makes sense. And what do you mean with that? If you want to take a look at the graph of it, and what I do over here is I graphed out both of the original equation and the simplified version. So I made a mistake in this. I'll correct that though. But anyway, the solutions are correct. All right. So what I want to do is I want to go to Sage and check my work. All right. So I got Sage running. I'm going to reset. X is a variable, and f of x is equal to x minus this original equation, x minus the square root of the quotient 2 over x. And then I'm going to say the solution I found, S, was equal to 2 plus square root of 3. All right? And then I used a Boolean, and the Boolean is I'm wondering if f of s is actually equal to what they say it is, which is equal to number 3. And it says it's true. Now, someone says, what happens if you just use Sage to solve the problem? Let me go through that with you. So if you try to solve f of x equals 3, that's the original equation, for x, you're going to get something that looks pretty complicated. Now, granted, I'm not saying that if you went to a different product, it'd give you a better looking answer over here, but this is kind of hard to sift through over here, all right? Now, granted, we verified this thing using a Boolean, but I'm not going to be looking at these things over here and verifying that these things are true. Now, if you notice that they're giving some complex answers over here, I'm not worried about that. What I was worried about over here is solving this for a real number. And we went through those stages over here. And again, stating some of the conditions, and we were able to get a solution to it. One extraneous, one to be a true solution to the problem. We did check it with Sage, though. Thank you.